Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Honorable Speaker, I rise today to address this august House on a subject that is shaping the future of our world: artificial intelligence (AI). AI is not just a technological advancement, it is a transformative force that has the potential to redefine economies, industries, governance, and even the way we live our daily lives. As representatives of the people, it is our duty to understand its implications, harness its benefits, and mitigate its challenges so that India can emerge as a global leader in this revolution. Artificial intelligence, in its simplest form, refers to machines and software that can perform tasks requiring human intelligence, from voice assistants to self driving cars, from medical diagnosis to predictive analysis in finance. AI is already deeply integrated into our lives. The global AI market is growing at an unprecedented rate, and India cannot afford to be left behind in this technological evolution. One of the greatest advantages of AI is its ability to enhance efficiency and productivity across various sectors. In agriculture, AI powered drones and sensors can monitor crops, predict weather patterns, and optimize the use of water and fertilizers. This can significantly improve yields, reduce wastage, and enhance food security. In manufacturing, AI driven automation can streamline production processes, minimize errors, and ensure precision, boosting India's Make in India initiative. In healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy, predicting outbreaks, and personalizing treatment plans for patients. AI powered chatbots and virtual assistants can reduce the burden on healthcare professionals, ensuring that quality medical advice reaches even the remotest corners of our country. AI is also playing a crucial role in education and skill development. With AI driven personalized learning, students can receive tailored educational content based on their individual learning pace and abilities. Virtual tutors, AI powered assessment tools, and adaptive learning platforms are revolutionizing the education sector. For a diverse country like India, where access to quality education remains a challenge in many rural areas, AI can bridge the gap and provide equal learning opportunities to all. Another critical area where AI can bring about a transformation in governance and public service delivery. AI powered analytics can help in policy making by providing data driven insights, enabling the government to make informed decisions. From detecting tax evasion to improving law enforcement through facial recognition and predictive policing, AI can enhance transparency and efficiency in governance. It can also be leveraged for disaster management, where AI based models can predict natural calamities like floods and earthquakes, allowing authorities to take preventive measures and save lives. However, while AI presents immense opportunities, it also brings forth significant challenges and ethical concerns. One of the most pressing issues is job displacement. As automation takes over repetitive and routine tasks, there is a growing fear that AI may replace human workers, leading to unemployment. While some jobs will inevitably be lost, new job roles will emerge that require expertise in AI development, maintenance, and supervision. The key lies in reskilling and upskilling our workforce to adapt to the changing landscape. India must invest in AI education and vocational training to ensure that our youth are equipped to thrive in an AI driven world. Another major concern is data privacy and security. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data to function effectively, raising questions about data protection, misuse, and surveillance. Without proper regulations, there is a risk of data breaches, identity theft, and unauthorized tracking of individuals. It is imperative that India formulates strong AI governance frameworks to safeguard citizens' privacy while fostering innovation. Bias and discrimination in AI algorithms also pose a serious threat. AI systems are only as biased as the data they are trained on. If the data is skewed or reflects existing societal biases, AI can reinforce discrimination, particularly in areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Ensuring fair and ethical AI development must be a top priority. We need stringent guidelines and accountability mechanisms to prevent AI from being misused against any section of society. Another challenge we must address is AI driven misinformation and deepfakes. With the rise of generative AI, fake news, doctored images, and manipulated videos have become more sophisticated and harder to detect. This can have serious consequences for democracy, elections, and national security. We need robust policies and AI driven tools to combat misinformation and ensure that AI is used responsibly in digital spaces. To fully harness the potential of AI, India must invest heavily in AI research and development. While countries like the United States and China are leading in AI innovation, India has the advantage of a vast talent pool and a thriving technology ecosystem. We must promote public private partnerships, encourage AI startups, and create AI innovation hubs across the country. The government should also collaborate with universities and research institutions to advance AI research in areas that can benefit society, such as healthcare, agriculture, and climate change mitigation.